Currencies this morning. So the euro is holding over yesterday's low finally. I'm still looking for a bit more to confirm we're in this too before we get the 3, 4, 5 to lower. No positions in the euro. Now, cable, let's just zoom out to the daily chart for a moment. I'm looking for the rest of this C of 2 up here. We're long cable from just above the recent low for the B wave. And at the moment, if I come back down to the hourly chart, I think we've got a potentially completed diagonal here off the B wave low as a 1, 2, 3 into the 1.0, 4, A, B, C, and it just tanked above the 138.2 and it's coming down. If that's the case, then we should get an A, B, C into this target region for the 2 and then up higher again in cable. So manage your long positions accordingly. If you didn't take the last long, it's going to give you another opportunity in this zone here with a target off the daily chart up here of either the 618 fib here or the 764 more likely for this too. Okay, the 2618 for a 1-2 based on the diagonal actually projects to the 618 in the FTSE. Now, US dollar, Japanese yen, again, still long, added back to those longs here. So I've got a full long position still and looking for this move up here, 115.06 and more likely higher than that. That's off the 4-hour chart here. If I then take you to the daily chart, it's this move up into this target box. I think we're going to get to 116.74 looking at this for this 3. But start to tighten up again when we get to north of 115 in US dollar, Japanese yen. There is a possibility it can drop down one more time to this 112.45. So stops on the entire position just below there now in the US dollar, Japanese yen. Once we start to get a bit more traction to the upside, then we can bring the stops up to 112.82. Australian dollar, I still think we need this last squiggle down here to the 069.95, and if we see that and it hits and holds, I'm going to take the long position. So again, just watching this for now. Weekly chart shows you why I'm interested in the long. It's a very deep 2, but the 3 is a long way up from here. So it gives us an opportunity to get a nice tight stop and a very small position size, so low risk for a long-term long move in the Australian dollar.